So that's why it's called a family farm. What do we grow? Yeah, we have 3 acres of blueberries here. We have 3 varieties, and we have our blackberry there. Yeah, we used to have the hummingbirds. So then when we got the farm, we said, oh, we can try this, we can try that. Then my husband, after the pictures, so all the hummingbirds are on the ground. You can see them all over there like white. And they start vacuuming them, cutting the grass. And then like in March is when you can see the fungus. Yeah, there's no hummingbirds. And then not even one of them? No. We're like the second week that we start cooking, so we didn't see one of them. Yeah. It was really good. But we just did flower like the 31st of October for the Dia de los Muertos. Yeah. We move them, but like here we don't have like other space that we can put them. So that's why we decide that we're gonna put the soil in there, put the plant. After 3 years, take the soil, put new soil, and keep planting. That's the idea. A lot of work. The previous owner, this plant was so tiny like this. Yeah, it was small. So my husband was the one who came to prune them with them. Oh. Yeah. And so that's why we met them. Yeah, that's the way we met them. Yeah. So once they decided to go east Washington, they said, we want you to take care of the farm. And then we're not ready for that. Like we don't, because we were business catchers for more than 20 years. We wanted, but we're not like, did you take it or not? So then my husband said, let's go. And then we came. Yeah. Yeah. Now the kids are so happy. They have all kinds of animals here.